Heavy old load and I'm giving all I've got. Road keeps rising and the skyline's far. Engine pulling hard like a wounded heart. Hands on the wheel and I feel that strain. Turbo crying in the heat again. Load strapped tight and it won't give away. Just me and this hill and the price to pay. Low gear, hold it there. Dig down deep if you wanna get somewhere. Engine growls and the whole cab shakes. One more climb and the whole road waits. Low gear, don't let go. Keep that power steady, keep it moving slow. Heavy load and a long hard year. You earn your miles in low gear. Needle climbs and the revs stay high. Hot steel breath underneath the sky. Every inch feels hard won now, but this old truck still won't back down. Mirror full of road left behind. Hill keeps testing engine in mind. Sweat runs down, but the grip stays strong. You learn real quick where you belong. Low gear, hold it there. Dig down deep if you wanna get somewhere. Engine growls and the whole cab shakes. One more climb and the whole road waits. Low gear, don't let go. Keep that power steady, keep it moving slow. Heavy load and a long hard year. You earn your miles in low gear. Then the summer comes into sight. Truck digs in with its final fight. Crest that hill and the world opens wide. Worth every second of the grinding climb. Low gear got me through every hard road that I ever knew. Orange and black